The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Roosevelt County and east central New Mexico until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 9:03 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Arch, or 17 miles southeast of Portales, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Causey, Lingle, and Rogers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Accumulations of hail on roads can create very slick and hazardous driving conditions. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Roosevelt, New Mexico,